Looking for an old school cocktail? How about trying the Crusta? We're gonna take cognac, 2 ounces. We're gonna pour it into our shaker glass of ice. We have half an ounce of maraschino liqueur, half an ounce of some triple sec, half an ounce of some lemon juice. We're gonna take our lavender bitters. We're gonna do 2 dashes of those. And then we're gonna shake it up. Now be sure to shake it up till it gets chilled down, so shake it up really good. Now once it's chilled down, we're gonna pour it into our chilled glass that we've had in the freezer and we rim with sugar. And there you have it, the Crusta. Now for more cocktails like this, go to my website, cocktailswithcody.com. And until next time, I'm Cody. See you soon.